Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to transfer photos from phone to Windows 10 or 11. If you have photos in your mobile phone that you want to have on your PC, like your Windows 10 or 11, then I'll show you how it can be done easily. Simply connect your mobile phone to its data cable. If you have the C type or the Android, don't worry whatever type you use, just simply plug it into your phone and the data cable should go to your PC. Once you do it, you will see this option. You have to simply enable the first option, which is to transfer the photos and videos. Basically, you're allowing your mobile phone to have the access to the PC of your mobile phone's file. Once you have done it, then you have to simply go to your laptop in which you have Windows 10 or 11. So once you have connected the data cable to your PC, you don't have to do anything. You have to simply go to the File Explorer. Once the File Explorer gets open, you have to go to this PC and there you will find your mobile phone drive. You have to just simply double click onto it and again double click onto it. Then simply open the folder where you have the photos. Now these file are actually from your mobile phone. So wherever you have saved the photos, you have to simply access it. You will have it. So whatever photo you want, you can just simply copy and paste it. And if you want multiple photos, you can copy in group. Get back and after that you have to simply paste it on desktop. So that's how you will be able to transfer photos from your mobile phone to Windows 10 or 11. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.